Do you love keto snacks? Then this is the episode for you. Snacks. I am so excited. I have an amazing shopping haul that I went, a keto shopping haul that I went for a grocery pickup, focused in on keto snacks, keto vegetables. Super pumped to share with you all of my favorite snacks from Martin's Direct. I did their pickup and they do also have delivery. I will put down in the description link an awesome code if you want to get a discount from them, as well as free pickup or delivery. I have that just for you. So make sure you go check that out down in the description link below. And a special thank you to Martin's for sponsoring today's video. All right, let's dive into snacks. I got so many fun snacks. Snack number one is some cauliflower. Cauliflower smells. It's stinky gym socks. Like, can we just be honest with each other? It smells horrifically, like dirty gym socks, but it is the most delicious snack. If you get a half a cup, it's just one carb. So if you like to chew, which I do, you can have a half a cup of cauliflower dipped with 1 tablespoon of ranch dressing, such as the little ranch packets that I had from Martin's for my pickup haul. Made it super simple to have keto snacks. Next snack is gonna be cucumber, chopped up cucumber. Simply wash them. I got my organic cucumbers again from Martin's. Half a cup was 1 carb also. So you could do like a half a cup of cucumber for 1 carb, a half a cup of cauliflower, making 1 full cup for only 2 carbs. And then you can use those Hidden Valley ranch packets. Again, 1 tablespoon of the ranch is 1 carb. So you could have 2 tablespoons for 2 carbs of the Hidden Valley ranch in the little packets, and then also have the produce and vegetables with it. I do like Martin's because they have a really big organic section. That has been on my heart this past year, of really having more organic foods, best that we can within our budget that we can. But Martin's has made it really simple to get those because they do have different weekly sales, and with coupons, sometimes there's vegetable coupons and things like that that you can get on your app for pickup, which makes it's seriously my favorite thing. Like, literally, I can have my 5-year-old in the car, we can go do pickup. It makes it really simple. I don't have to schlep anything. Like, literally, it just gets put in my car and we can go off. The next keto snack that I absolutely love is having turkey roll-ups or some sort of deli roll-ups. We have gotten uncured pepperonis before, but this time I just wanted to get some deli meat to straight up have with some cheese, put a little bit of mayonnaise on there. Literally, it's a high protein snack, which is great, but keto is high fat, moderate protein, low carb. So if I do that, I make sure that I interweave other areas of fat in. Now, some people are going to say, Elizabeth, you're the queen of fasting. I certainly am. I do love to do fasting quite a bit. However, I do love snacks, and sometimes my snacks are meals. Does anyone else do that? Like, for snacks, I'm like, I'm just going to make that dinner. It's a snack, but really I'm just going to make it dinner. I know there's other people out there like me who do that. So that's one of my other suggestions too, is you can make these easily dinners. So the turkey roll-ups that they have with the whole deli section, again, it's super simple on the delivery pickup system or with delivery, of where you can pick out how much deli meat you want, if you want a half a pound, a full pound, or whatever, and then they'll slice it either thin or thick, depending. Makes it really simple for the deli section. So we ended up getting a ton of deli meat with it as well. The next thing that I did get was some avocados. I do like having avocados with something else. Like, I'm not just gonna straight up eat an avocado. I wish I was that girl. I'm just not that girl yet. But so I like having avocados as an accoutrement for other things, such as the coleslaw. I do like Martin's Nature Promise. That's their organic, that's their generic version of their products. And so Martin's has a Nature's Promise organic coleslaw bag, and I loved using that. I've done it in other recipes of basically where it's mayonnaise, apple cider vinegar, some salt, some pepper. It's really simple. I've done that video recipe before on it, but that with the on top having avocado is also another amazing keto snack. Now, of course, I can have meat with as one of my snacks too. Those are really great if making taco shells. You can literally just take the shredded cheese, put them on a piece of parchment paper. I have a whole video as to how to make those taco shells, and you can use those with meat. That is, literally, I do that myself sometimes just for dinner. But so having that shredded cheese just into like circles like this big, you can make for keto chips, or you can make them bigger and then drape them over a wooden spoon to make like an actual taco shell. That has been really helpful. But Martin's was having this past week when I went to go do the sale, it was by a certain amount of the beef, and then you got for free cheese, some tomatoes in a can, you got some beans and some cornbread. I'm going to donate those two things, but still, I mean, it was a tremendous amount for free just for buying the meat. So I do actually have saved a ton on my grocery budget by doing Martin's pickup, because I don't buy extra like superfluous stuff at the checkout. I was always that person who'd be like, oh, I need gum, I need this, I need that. I don't do that. And literally it can stick easily to my list. It's actually made my grocery bill significantly less because I'm just buying what I need on my list. So in terms of snacks, I did refill on my pepperonis, which I've talked about before. For a keto snack, I do like putting those in the broiler. Really, really simple. Just pop those in the broiler, boom, then it's all done. For a great chip and dip type snack, I highly recommend those too. If you're looking for a keto type snack, those are really, really good. Or the combination of all these, right? Like I could do with it having my pepperoni chips with the ranch, the Hidden Valley Ranch dips. And I like those, by the way, if you're traveling or if your kids are back at school, those small ranch packets are really, really easy on the go. They fit really well in a cooler. Like if we're going to the park or whatever, I can pop those in the cooler really, really simply. I did also get a whole organic cabbage, and with that, I simply chopped it up and I mixed it with some sausage. I had Jimmy Dean sausage, which I love. I love Jimmy Dean sausage, but do be mindful that there are some creepy carbs in sausage. So just being mindful of that. I'm okay with that. But I know for some people's keto snacks, it would maybe be more of a low carb snack with it. So for the sausage with the cabbage, literally, that is a great snack. And then I did get a bunch of low carb wraps. Those are not keto, but straight up, I'm doing the best I can. And so that for me, having these low carb wraps has been super, super helpful. I did also get, because my sister had recommended it, getting those egg roll wraps, spring roll wraps. My sister had recommended them. They're awesome. Those things are so incredibly cool. You can mix so many different things in there, like your coleslaw with your avocado. If you want it to be held together, you just used water, excuse me, on the spring roll paper, and then it makes it like stick together. If you want something to physically hold besides like a cheese folio or one of those egg white wraps, this is another one in the mix that is super, super helpful. So those are my keto snacks for this week. If you found this video helpful, dance your fingers over and click subscribe. Do make sure you go out and check out Martin's Direct. Get that discount code so you can get a bunch of free shipping or free delivery, or have their free pickup, in addition to a discount for like great savings off of your order for your first time order. Go make sure you get that. That's down in the description link below, and use their app. It is so user-friendly. And it's really easy to use. I can easily get our discount gas from it, use coupons on there that are the digital coupons. It's so great. And I got a ton of laundry detergent. It was amazing. I think I may have gotten 8 jugs of laundry detergent. Woohoo! So anyways, make sure you go check out Martin's. Thanks so much, guys. I look forward to seeing you guys again next time for more keto and low carb weight loss videos. Check you next time. Bye, guys. But I like having the sausage in conjunction with having the I can't remember the word. What's it called? What's it called? The green stuff. It's not lettuce. Cabbage. That's the word. It's been a long day for mommy over here. Okay.
Pickup is always free with Martin's Direct, and I've got a special code for you to save on your first 3 orders.